Hello and welcome. In Windows 11, the startup sound is enabled by default. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable it. Additionally, you can set sounds to certain events as well. Click on the Windows search icon and type in Themes and Related Settings. Click on it. Here you can adjust some basic settings regarding your theme and background. This is also the location where we can adjust the startup sound. To do this, click on Sounds. In the sound settings, you can check or uncheck the box next to Play Windows Startup Sound. Simply uncheck it to disable the startup sound. After that, click on Apply. On your next reboot, the sound should be off. In this window, there are a few other things that you can do that might be interesting. You can adjust or set certain sounds in combination with events. For instance, when I select a Close Program event, I can click on the drop-down menu and set one of the sounds from the drop-down menu. There are quite a few sounds to choose from. This concludes our tutorial on how to enable or disable startup sounds in Windows 11. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Make sure to subscribe if you want to watch more Windows or software related tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.